Everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this under sink organizer. It has two different pieces, and let's go ahead and get right into this. So I love to organize, so I am always super excited to get stuff like this. It's just my jam. Now you can use this for whatever you want. Like you don't have to organize underneath your kitchen sink with this. You can organize whatever you want with it. So this is how it comes. Whew, these are actually a lot bigger than I thought they were. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to put it together right here. So this is the one that slides out. So you actually want to put these in this. Just like that. This is the one that slides out. Okay, so after you apply these, you want to turn it with this facing upwards. Then you want to slide these on. Just like that, and then you're going to get these little sealers and you're going to put them up here to make it look nice and smooth. Just like that, and then you're going to grab these right here, which are hooks that you can put on to the side so you can see. And this is so that you can hang stuff up on it. So very nice. And then as you can see, the drawer comes in and out. And then it also has this place right here that you can use to put maybe dish sponge or something in. So I'm going to go ahead and put the other one together and I'll be right back. Okay, and as you can see, that's what they both look like put together. You can put this on either side that you want, but let's go put this in use so that you guys can see what it looks like in use. Okay, so you guys seen them before. This is after. How awesome is this? So it did not fit underneath my kitchen sink, so I put it in here, and I was even able to get the kids' toothbrushes and stuff. This is the kids' soaps. I have like littler soaps down there for when we go on vacation and stuff, travel size stuff. And then, because this is able to pull out, okay, so as you can see, it comes out and you can push it all the way out, get whatever it is that you want, and then push it back in. Same thing with this side. Just push out and then push it back in. And then up here, you're actually able to see everything that you need. Yes, I am a YouTuber, so I try a lot of different things out. So I'm constantly trying different shampoos and stuff. So that's why I have so much stuff. But I love this. This looks so much better than before. So much better. And then because it has this, like these little hooks, I'm able to put like stuff like that on the edge. I may actually move these to this side. And then put my toothbrushes and stuff right there so I can brush my teeth in the shower. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.